again, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's a Tagalog song again. The title of the song is called Baliw Sayo by JRoa. Alright, so let's start. So for the first one, you're gonna go close, cross. 1, yes, again, 6, 7, and go 1. I forgot what's it. 2, 6. Sorry, Alright, for the first step, you're gonna cross 1, 2, 3, close on 4. Alright, one more time. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then front. 5, 6, cross. 7, push on 8. Look to your left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, change way 3, 4, right, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna chest pop, tap, tap, and punch. 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Close on 5, catch on 6, 7, we'll change 8, 1, 2. Stay until 2. One more time. 6, 7, pop, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Close on 5, 6, 7, we'll change 8, 1, 2. Good job. Let's try first and second. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Good job. So stay from 1, 2. Simply go 3, 4. Alright, so next one, shoulder, 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 and bowling. It's basically bowling. So you gotta go 3, 4 from here, 5 and 6. You gotta jump 7. Look up, 7, drop on 8. Alright, one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jump 7 and 8. Next, from here you're gonna throw 1. So you need to look at it. Tignan you guys. 1, 2, 3, lift on 4. Drop on 5, clap on 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try one more time. From up and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to close. 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. Are you ready? Yes. 5, 6, 7. Cross. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Go 5. Catch 7. We'll change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder bowling. 7, 8. Catch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Good job. Next. Almost, guys. So next, for the 5th, 8, 7, 8. Add lift. 2, 3. Drop on 4. Or any motion, any ad lib, any freestyle. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Drop 4. Catch on 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2 count. Alright, one more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go on because that one is easy. 7, 8, gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then center. 5, 6, 7. Turn around on 8. So you're facing your right side. 7, 8. One more time. We go from throw. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, drop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Center. 5 and 6. Turn around. 8. Next. Last weight. Go down on 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. We'll change. Going to the front. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, try one more time, even though that one is easy. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, add 3, close, we'll change. 6, 7, and 8. For the last step, you're gonna go, you will hear that. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. 7 and 3. 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. 7 and oh, 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 tap, tap. Then step right, left, then we'll change to the front and anything. That's it. Let's try one more time. From going back here. 6, 7, and then go, oh, oh. Head will change. 6, and here we go. Oh, 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 ha, ha. 1, 2, we'll change. And then up. You need to acting, huh? Guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. Good job. Alright, let's try everything. Sorry. What's that? Alright, let's do slowly. From the beginning, all of it. Mix it. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, chest, 4, 5, 6, 7, we'll change, 1, 2, 3, shoulder, 5 and 6, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, go, oh, 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 5, 6, 7, and oh, 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 tap, tap, 5, 6, full change, and oh, yeah! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, likes, everything. Alright, we'll see you soon. By the way, Merry Christmas. Bye bye.